Okay, so that's obviously not English. This is the important number. 880 rounds of 7.62 by 54R ammunition comes in this here box, but you see it is empty. There they are. 880 rounds in 2 tins, 440 each, and it comes with that sweet can opener. I figured I'd just throw this up as a quick little video, show you guys some of the ammo I've got. Cracking this one open. When I got it opened up, I'll pull it out and show it to you guys. And not my dick. There you have it. 7.62 by 54R silver tip. Not really sure what that designates. Let's see what the... It just says 74 and some other illegible shit on the bottom. Let's see if we can... Will it focus on that? Come on, iPhone. Hey-oh, that's a little better. Not too bad, right? Pretty cool. And I got 880 rounds for, I think it was like 160 bucks. Fuck yeah, dude. I'll take it.